Oh, hey. Um, we made it to Sausalito. We're about just a little shy of 10 miles. It's a really nice view. I am kind of hungry and thirsty, so I need to go stop and get some water. I think you requested that you wanted to check out the bike, so here it is. She's sitting right there. You can see in the middle pole, I taped in this, what do you call it, like tire pump, just in case my tires goes out. But I didn't have the right way to tie it, so I just ended up taping it. Let's take a look at it. I just made it to Tiburon. It's getting a little warm, got a little sweat going on. This is my first time ever coming over here, and just trying to find my way. I didn't know where I was going, just trying to look at the signs. Which way is Tiburon? Make a left, make a right. While looking at the map, it's really nice. The weather is definitely helping out with the bike ride. It's not too warm. We are at the beginning of Sausalito. It's about 10 a.m. Definitely way below my time that I wanted to make. We're about to go up this huge incline up to the Golden Gate Bridge and then back. So I can't ride my bike on the left side of the bridge, so I have to go underneath to get on the other side. Just made it back to San Francisco. It's getting really warm. We are just shy of 50 miles, or 42, I believe. I'm really thirsty and getting really hungry, so I'm gonna have a really big lunch.